back and forth prompts. To an extent, I conducted a complimentary session. There were about 200 of them online. I put there, summarize a book by Gabriel Peter on artificial intelligence complementing authentic intelligence. I didn't write that book at all. AI can give me summary, you know. I didn't write the book at all, but AI can give that summary. Today, 1 month later, 2 months later, now we are in June, the model has already advanced. And now the model can correct itself. But the danger is, it became a bit smarter, whereby it says no, yet it still gives you an answer. Turn this into an infographic. Since I'm going to change it to an infographic, I put that create image. Orientation, it depends what type of orientation you want. For Facebook, there are the orientation line, for PowerPoint, YouTube. So these are some techniques that you too can also apply with whatever documents at hand. Some policies, some things want to bagi dia nampak lagi clear, we turn it into an image. So let it sketch for a moment. Earlier, you can put that also. Macam patient details, yang kata macam mana kita nak admission, what are the structures for admission, what are the payment details, all that you can